everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and today we are on day 13 of the Masquerade Advent Calendar by Reggie over at J Hook Crochet. So as you know, yesterday I was super excited because yesterday we had purple. So today we are on day 13, so let me see if I can find me 13 bag. There we go. And it's a nice little green bag today. Oops, she says, throwing it on the floor. So we've got a nice little green burlap bag today. So what colour do you think it is today? It'd be interesting. Ooh. Look guys, look at that. Look at the jade. Turquoise. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? That is lovely. And it'll go really nice with the purple as well. And yay! Oh, I'm a happy bunny, guys. I'm a happy bunny. So that is beautiful. I love the turquoise jade colour. Teal. That's it. And do you know what, guys? Purple and teal are my favourite colours. I'm a happy girl. Woohoo! So that is for day 13. So I hope you are all well. I hope you all have an amazing day. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. Bye for now.